Google Password Manager versus NordPass. Which password manager wins? Choosing the right password manager can completely change how you secure your online accounts without the hassle of forgotten passwords. Both offer unique features and security approaches worth exploring. Google Password Manager and NordPass are two popular password management solutions. The core difference lies in Google Password Manager's seamless integration with Google services, while NordPass focuses on advanced encryption and cross-platform compatibility for a broader user base. Google Password Manager is a built-in password management tool integrated directly into Google Chrome and Android devices. It automatically saves and fills passwords across Google services and websites, making it highly convenient for users deeply embedded in the Google ecosystem. The manager uses strong encryption to protect stored credentials and syncs passwords securely via your Google account. Its strengths include effortless use without additional installations and automatic password generation. However, it is limited mainly to Google's ecosystem, with fewer advanced features like dark web monitoring or detailed security reports. It's ideal for users who primarily use Google products and want a simple, no-fuss password manager that works seamlessly across devices without extra cost or setup. NordPass is a dedicated password manager designed to provide robust security across multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. It uses zero-knowledge architecture and AES 256 encryption to ensure only the user can access stored passwords. NordPass offers features like password health reports, secure password sharing, and biometric authentication. It also supports offline access and cross-device syncing without relying on any single ecosystem. While it requires a subscription for premium features, it provides advanced tools such as data breach scanning and multi-factor authentication. Its limitations include a more complex setup compared to Google Password Manager and the need for a separate app. NordPass is best suited for users seeking strong security, cross-platform flexibility, and additional management tools beyond basic password storage. Comparing Google Password Manager and NordPass highlights clear trade-offs. Google Password Manager excels in convenience for users who primarily use Google services, offering automatic password saving and autofill without extra apps. However, it lacks advanced security features and broader platform support. NordPass, on the other hand, provides comprehensive security with encryption, password health monitoring, and multi-platform access, ideal for users managing diverse devices and accounts. In real-world use, Google Password Manager is perfect for casual users wanting simplicity, while NordPass suits security-conscious users who need detailed control and features. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize seamless integration or advanced security and flexibility. Google Password Manager is recommended for users deeply integrated with Google services who want a simple, free, and automatic password management solution. NordPass is the better choice for those seeking advanced security features, cross-platform compatibility, and detailed password management tools. It offers a powerful, flexible solution that keeps your credentials safe across all devices, making it ideal for both personal and professional use.